To fix the WhatsApp unable to backup message problem on Android, start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have strong mobile data, as a weak connection can interrupt the backup process. Next, go to the Google Play Store and update WhatsApp to the latest version. An outdated app can often cause issues with features like backup. After updating, check if your Google account is properly linked to WhatsApp. To do this, open WhatsApp, tap on three dots, go to Settings, then Chats and select Chat Backup. Ensure a Google account is selected under the backup settings. It's also important to make sure your Google Drive has enough free storage to accommodate the backup. You can verify your available space by logging into your Google Drive via a browser. Another common fix is to ensure WhatsApp has the correct permissions. Head to your phone settings, then Apps, Manage Apps. Find WhatsApp and check its permissions. Make sure storage and contacts permissions are enabled. Sometimes clearing the app's cache helps too. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, Manage Apps. Select WhatsApp, go to Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. Be careful not to clear data, as that could delete your chats. Finally, try manually triggering a backup. Open WhatsApp, tap on three dots, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and tap on the backup button. If all these steps are followed correctly, your backup issue should be resolved. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.